The Nissan GT-R has always been synonymous with raw power and precision engineering. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo takes this legacy to a whole new level, blending cutting-edge technology with race-inspired performance and unmistakable design. Let's start with what lies under the hood, the heart of this beast. The R38 Nismo is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine, fine-tuned to deliver a staggering 630 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just power for the sake of numbers, it's engineered for responsiveness. The turbos are derived straight from Nissan's GT3 race cars, ensuring blistering acceleration and a near-instantaneous throttle response. Paired with an updated 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, the shifts are razor-sharp and precise, giving you complete control whether you're on the track or carving through winding roads. Now let's talk about handling. The 2025 GT-R R38 Nismo features an advanced all-wheel drive system and a heavily reworked suspension setup. Carbon ceramic brakes provide stopping power that feels just as impressive as the car's acceleration. Nissan's engineers have focused on improving aerodynamics and weight distribution, with extensive use of carbon fiber in the body panels, roof, and even the interior. This results in a lighter car with improved downforce, giving you confidence at high speeds and sharp corners. On the design front, the R38 Nismo stands out with an aggressive yet refined look. The front fascia features larger air intakes, a redesigned grille, and a splitter for improved cooling and downforce. The iconic samurai blade side skirts are now more pronounced, and at the rear, a massive carbon fiber wing ensures stability while adding a touch of drama. Every element has a purpose, but it's also undeniably a head-turner. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that's a perfect balance of function and luxury. The lightweight bucket seats are wrapped in Alcantara for grip and comfort, while the steering wheel and dashboard feature carbon fiber and red accents, a nod to the car's performance pedigree. The infotainment system has been updated with a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. But make no mistake, this is still a driver's car. The focus is on what's in front of you, the road, the rev counter, and the sound of that incredible engine. What truly sets the 2025 GT-R R38 Nismo apart is how it combines performance and accessibility. It's a car that can take on supercars costing twice as much, yet it's surprisingly practical for daily use. The ride quality has been refined, the cabin is quieter, and there's even enough trunk space for a weekend getaway. It's the ultimate example of a car that doesn't force you to choose between thrills and usability. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's a car for enthusiasts, for thrill seekers, and for anyone who appreciates the perfect marriage of technology and craftsmanship. Whether you're on the track chasing lap times or cruising through the city, this car delivers an experience that's as exhilarating as it is unforgettable.